You can just simplify using law of indices. That would be 3. We take the first 3 into 3x. We take out the x. We take out this 2 minus 12 into 3x plus 9 is equals to 0. Okay, let's take 3 to the power x is equals to y for simplicity. Therefore, 3y squared minus 12y plus 9 is equals to 0. Are you already seeing it? Yeah, we can then factorize. That is 3y squared minus 12y plus 9 is equals to 0. Therefore, 3y squared minus that is minus 3y minus 9y plus 9 is equals to 0. Therefore, 3y into y minus 1 minus 9 into y minus 1 is equals to 0. Therefore, y minus 1 and 3y minus 9 is equals to 0. Hence, our y is equals to 1 and our 3y is equals to 9. Hence, y is equals to 3 and y is equals to 1. Therefore, 3 to the power x is equals to 1 and 3 to the power x is equals to 3. That is 1 here. Therefore, 3 to the power x is equals to 3 to the power 0, because anything to the power 0 is 1. And here we have, therefore, you are going to be having what our x is equals to 0 and x is equals to 1. Therefore, x equals to 0 or x is equals to 1. And we come to the end of this question. See you in the next video.